So this is the generator. That's a main extension cord. So basically, the fuel has to be up to the top, or the fuel level. This is for propane. This is for gasoline. There's a fuel gauge up here. Looks like that could use to be topped off. Just gasoline. I'll top it off before I go. This is the choke lever here. So choking it, to start it, would be here. You want to keep your hand near that when you start it. This is the fuel valve here. So fuel's on, it's choked, and what I'm going to do, the key is here, and when you try and start it, then you'll want to adjust the choke a bit. I'll see if I can do this. So it's running through. You can just turn it off that way. There are circuit breakers here. Circuit breakers here. This switch just stays to the left. That's 110 volts. If you were going to try to run something more than that, you could switch it to the right. Just DC plug here. If you wanted to plug in a cigarette lighter, then the battery's down here. This is where the this is where the propane attaches, and then the oil thing is, I don't know where it is. Oh, it's way back here. I can't see it from up here. It's this thing here. So if you needed to jump it, just put the jumper cable positive to here, negative to here, and jump it like you would a regular car. Once it's started, you probably shouldn't need to choke it again. Alright, make a liar out of me. So I'm going to choke it. And that's it. I mean, technically you're supposed to run it dry. You turn the fuel off and just run it till it's dry. Maybe I'll do that right now to keep a little bit of the junk out of there. Run for a few minutes, and eventually it'll start wavering like that. You don't have to do that every time. If you're going to turn it off and turn it on again, that's fine.